Let's get going with part 1. What I'm about to show you here is very important, so I want you to pay close attention. Look at this sentence. I want to wait here. Nice and simple. How would you translate that into Spanish? It would be quiero esperar aquí. Now, things get a lot more tricky and complicated if we want to change that to I want him to wait here. So we've gone from I want to wait here to I want him to wait here. At this point, we run into a problem. The problem is you can't do a direct, literal translation of that into Spanish and say something like lo quiero, meaning I want him to wait here, esperar aquí. That doesn't exist in Spanish and would sound horrible to their ears. So instead, what we have to do is rephrase it. Instead of being I want him to wait here, it would be I want that he waits here. Now, this is something that happens everywhere in Spanish. For example, let's take I want you to decide. How would you rephrase that in English so that we could put in the word that? It would be, I want that you decide. This is what you would do in Spanish. This is the translation that you would follow if you wanted to express this in English. I want you to decide. You would have to rephrase it in Spanish and say, I want that you decide. Let's try some more. How would you rephrase this one? I want you to speak with me. So rephrase it using the word that. It becomes, I want that you speak with me. I want you to eat. How would you rephrase it? I want that you eat. I want him to stay. Rephrase that one. I want that he stays. I want her to marry me. I want that she marries me. I want you to show me. I want that you show me. I want us to trust each other. I want that we trust each other. I want them to come here. I want that they come here. So, to summarize, let's take this one. I want to come here. There's no problem here. We're simply saying, quiero venir aquí. The problem happens when we have to throw in, I want him to come here. I want her to come here. I want you to come here. I want us to come here again next year on holiday. I want them to come here. When it's just, I want to come here, and there's no other person or thing included here, it's simple. Quiero venir aquí. It's when we throw in him, her, them, us, you, that we're forced to rephrase it. So, for example, I want you to come here. We have to now rephrase that so that we use the word that. So it becomes, I want that you come here. This is now translatable into Spanish. I want that you come here. I want that he comes here. Or she comes here. I want that we come here again next year. I want that they come here. This is what you have to do in Spanish. You have to rephrase it. So if you need to watch this video a few more times to get the hang of it, please do that, because this is very, very important knowledge when it comes to using the subjunctive correctly in Spanish.